what's up? So this morning I went out, got some work done on my car, went through the car wash as you guys saw, and now I'm about to do my face, put some makeup on, and get ready for an event that I'm going to. It's a small event. It's a small wedding reception, and they are going to be doing, you know, social distancing, so it's going to be spaced out and everything, but I am going to be in attendance. So I'm about to do my makeup and get everything done. And it's been a minute since I did this. Okay, I don't think I've given myself like a full beat since probably last year, considering that everything started happening in March. January and February I didn't really, you know, go out like partying or anything like that. So or, you know, usually if I'm doing an event, I'm the one decorating it, and I don't have to be cute, you know. I'm in some like gym type clothes. So anyway, for the first time, I'm about to bring myself back to life, be my face, and I'll show you what I look like once I'm done. I will say I am excited to finally, you know, be getting out and actually going somewhere. I have a cute little black bling mask to wear with my dress. So yeah, I'm excited, you know, to do a little something. You know, it's not big. I think here you can have a few gatherings, but you of course have to minimize the amount of people, and it has to be spaced out and stuff like that. So anyway, check back with y'all in a second. It's been a minute, guys. So how do I use to start? Oh, with some primer, which I don't think I have any primer. You know what? Hold on. I think I do have some Smashbox in my closet. Put some on my little cheeky cheeks.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch.
I'm so sorry, y'all. I completely forgot all about you guys. I started doing my routine, asking Jalen for help, because I think we have a little bit of a brain fart as to how I used to actually do this step by step. So anyway, I'm working on my eyes now. Still got a long way to go.
It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save.
All right, y'all. Okay, guys. So I had forgot to come back to the camera, but this is what I'm looking like. I would lay my little wig, and makeup is done. I'm coming off really light on camera for some reason. I don't know why. But I still have to do my lips. But what y'all think? Been a minute. It has been a minute since your girl looked like this. Oh my gosh, I forgot I could look like this. Honestly, it's sad. But yeah, that's what quarantine will do to you. So let me see. I'm not gonna film at the event because it's not my event, and I don't have permission, and I don't want to film somebody else's special event without them, you know, being a part of it or knowing. So I'm gonna leave it at this, but I will let you guys know how it goes. I might have Jalen to do a full up and down so you can see what I'm wearing.
But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over, yeah. But I still
Today we are cooking in the kitchen. Monica made this delicious concoction. These are king crab legs or dungeon? King crab legs. We have some shrimp and some good red potatoes. So you can see them right here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. The seasoning mix is bomb. So over here, I'm cooking the green beans. I'm just sauteing them with some teriyaki marinade, some garlic powder, and a little bit of seasoning salt. And I like my green beans to have a little bit of a crunch. And this is what I use. The teriyaki marinade. It's my favorite marinade. To add to it, we're gonna have some delicious salmon. So I usually do the honey garlic salmon, but I usually forget to film it for y'all. So today I'm gonna film it, and I was gonna attempt to try like the blackened salmon, but we'll see how that goes. I kind of want to stick with what I know right now, which is the honey garlic. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that for y'all. Guys, this is it. It looks so scrumptious, so good. Honey garlic salmon. The green beans are ready over here, and our seafood pot is cooking. So I just have to put the blackened salmon in now.
Keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet. sweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Daisies keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming.
All right guys, so now it is time to cook our blackened salmon. I've got all of the olive oil in the skillet, so let's see how this goes. So if it don't taste right, then how you fix it? Post some of that teriyaki sauce on it. So this is what it looks like flipped over.